First thing you need to do is go to the golang.org site and follow the links, which takes a couple of clicks to take you to a list of downloads where you have the Go installables. There is for Mac OS X a package installer, but I prefer to just extract the zip file. So what you can also do is select the zip file and then download it. Now I've already got that downloaded, and I'm just going to extract that, and you can see that it's going to output a Go folder. So that is the entire Go installable. Now what we need to do is create a folder where we can have all our Go programs running, or the Go SDK installed. I prefer to have a folder called coding, and within that I'm sorry, I need to go back to coding. Within that, I create a folder called Golang. It's because I could have other things like, say, Python or JavaScript or any other things inside there. And within that, I have to add the Go folder that we just extracted. So let's go to downloads and Go, and we've got the entire Go folder there. So now if you take your command line, your terminal window, you will be able to clear that up. If you go to the root folder, cls, we see cd coding, and then there'll be golang and then go. Now this is the root folder for your golang. If you go inside cd bin, you will find the go executable. So if you do go version, it will get you the correct version. What we need to do next is to add this to your bash RC, your WIMP, or your profile file. In the case of the Mac OS, you open vim.profile or any of the other editors, and you add or you export your path to include the folder that you just extracted. So my case uses vj coding golang go and then bin. So coding golang go bin, that's where I have my go executable. Now obviously if I just try to run it now, it's not going to work because we haven't sourced it. It actually was sourced before. So if it has not been sourced before, you can do a source to a profile and then it should work. Go version. The next thing you need to do is to create a couple of extra folders at the same level as Go. I prefer it this way, and you can just follow my suggestion. Create a folder called Go Path and another one called Trials. Now Trials is where you will do most of your examples and tests, and Go Path is a folder that Go requires to do some additional stuff that we'll get to. Let's go back into our dot profile and let's add a couple more exports. One is called go root. Now go root should be the root file or the root folder where go is. So that's golang go, and the other one we add is going to be go path. Let's set that to the go path folder that we did earlier, that we created earlier. So let's source it now, and we can see the different go variables that we have. If we did go environment grep go, that should be good. Now go version works, and what will also work is if we went into cd coding golang, and I've got my trials folder. Let's create a small hello world.go here with almost nothing but to print a hello world. That's as simple as we can do it. Function main and format.println hello world. We've got that, and as you can see we are right now in Golang trials. If I did go run hello world.go, this works perfectly well. So just to summarize the things that we did, download the zip file. It contains a Go folder with all the installables. I prefer to create a folder in my user home called coding, and within that I put all my different languages and other stuff that I work on. So I've got something called coding golang in /user/home. You extract the zip file that you downloaded from the Golang site and drop it into the Golang folder. Then add the path to Golang go bin. with which we can do some basic commands, but then we won't be able to compile any code unless we set these two variables called go root and go path. Go root points to your Golang Go, the root folder for your Go SDK, and go path is an additional folder that you create. I prefer to create it under the Golang folder itself and call it go path. And once you do that, you should be able to create hello world.go or any other file, Go file anywhere, and run that with the Go commands. Best of luck with your program with Go. I love the language. Hope you do too. I'll come back for more videos. Thank you so much.